Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's redefining practicality and style in the compact pickup segment of the all-new 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota has transformed the legendary Corolla into a versatile pickup, blending the reliability you've come to expect from the Corolla name with the functionality of a truck. Let's jump right into it. Exterior design. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup maintains the sleek, modern lines of its sedan sibling but with a rugged twist. Up front, you'll notice the familiar Corolla grille, now beefed up with a more robust bumper and skid plate, giving it that sturdy, go-anywhere look. The headlights are sharp and LED-powered, providing excellent visibility and a distinctive presence on the road. Moving to the side, the extendable base allows for a decently sized bed while keeping the vehicle compact enough for city driving. The muscular fenders and raised ride height give it a tough stance, making it clear that this is no ordinary Corolla. And at the back, the tailgate is simple yet functional, featuring Toyota's emblem and sleek LED taillights that wrap around the rear, adding a touch of sophistication. The seats are comfortable, with supportive bolstering that's perfect for long drives. And, of course, there's plenty of storage space throughout the cabin, including underseat compartments and a spacious glove box. Despite being a pickup, the 2025 Corolla Pickup offers a rear bench that can comfortably seat two adults or be folded down for additional cargo space. Dual-zone climate control, a premium JBL audio system, and even a wireless charging pad round out the interior's feature set, ensuring a comfortable and connected drive. Performance capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Pickup offers two powertrain options. The standard model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower and 151 pounds-feet of torque, paired with the smooth shifting CVT. This setup is ideal for those who prioritize fuel efficiency, delivering an impressive 30 mpg combined. For those looking for more power and off-road capability, Toyota offers an optional 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, producing a combined output of 219 horsepower. This version comes with Toyota's EAWD system, which uses electric motors to power the rear wheels when needed, providing extra traction on slippery surfaces or rough terrain. When it comes to capability, the Corolla Pickup doesn't disappoint. It offers a payload capacity of up to 1,500 pounds and a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, making it perfect for weekend warriors and urban adventurers alike. Plus, with a ground clearance of 8.7 inches, you can confidently tackle light off-roading or rough city streets. Tech safety. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Corolla Pickup with its latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including features like pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and automatic high beams. The pickup also comes with a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. On the tech front, the 10-inch touchscreen is the centerpiece, but you also get a fully digital 7-inch instrument cluster that provides all the essential driving information at a glance. The system is responsive, intuitive, and integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for a hassle-free experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is more than just a compact truck. It's a game-changer for those who need the versatility of a pickup without sacrificing the comfort and efficiency of a sedan. Whether you're a city dweller in need of occasional hauling capabilities or an outdoor enthusiast looking for a reliable companion, this pickup offers the perfect blend of practicality, performance, and style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.